Hi, my name is Sai Sankara. I'm an MBA student at the University of Arizona Global Campus. And for this class, we are supposed to come up with an improvement proposal for DargeanGrix. So DargeanGrix is an venture capital organization that's highly successful. The organization has annual revenues of approximately $250 million consistently over the past 7 years. The company is known for maintaining warm relationships with their clients, which plays a big part in them getting this consistent revenue. DargeanGrix depends on video conference calls to initiate conversations with prospective clients and maintain existing relationships with current clients. It uses the video conferencing to scout potential investment opportunities across the world and manage portfolios with the current clientele. Currently, there is an issue with the technology for the company. Clients are finding it very difficult to use the current video conferencing software as it has been very troublesome and very ineffective. This has resulted in an increase in the travel costs. DargeanGrix's business strategy has been to keep travel costs to a minimum by relying on video conferencing. The advantage is that the employees do not have to travel to meet clients, and which results in low travel spend, and also allows the company to connect with clients worldwide at a moment's notice. With the inconvenience of the current video conferencing software and rising travel and maintenance costs, I would recommend that the company should invest in a new video conferencing software. The current annual spend on maintenance of the existing equipment and travel costs are approximately $1.5 million per year. The one-time cost of procuring and implementing a brand new video conferencing software is about $2.5 million. This results in a 1.67 year in return of investment, which is quite excellent when we look at the tangible benefits. But beyond the tangible benefits of obtaining brand new equipment, the intangible benefits include increased customer satisfaction with the technology, as they are now able to connect with the employees of DargeanGrix in a much better and more efficient fashion. They'll be able to build stronger relationships, which in turn will increase the overall annual revenues for the company and have more customer loyalty, as people are going to be more and more satisfied with this company, and which will also increase the goodwill and the brand value for DargeanGrix, which will all of which will supplement the revenue for the years to come. So overall, I think DargeanGrix will benefit drastically from investing in brand new equipment, as that's the entire foundation of which DargeanGrix is communicating and maintaining relationships with all of the clients. Thank you very much for your time.